Hi there. I wanted to follow up this grid chart with also a melody map. And they both show the same song, just two different ways of showing it. In this melody map, I just used little star symbols. And I also used this little symbol here, which indicates there's a rest. I used the same pictures of the water glasses, row 1, row 2, row 3. And you just follow the same direction from left, beginning, to right, middle, and end. So if I were to draw in the direction, I would start off with my empty glass and then move down to the half glass. I'll put an arrow there just to show you that's the way I'm going. Followed by the third row, which has the full glass of water. Okay, so that's my direction. Might not be the clearest, but I just ran out of space there. Okay. And then we have a rest. Okay, so we stop and then we start up again with the empty glass, moving down to the half glass. I'll put my direction arrow in, and then to the full glass, followed by a rest. After that, we have TT. So T, 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 T. Going this way. Then we have 4 more taps, okay? We have a T, 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 T. And then, moving to the end, first row being played. Then we're moving to the glass with half the amount of water. And then the full glass of water. So that may be a little bit easier for you guys to draw at home than to use the grid chart. But what I can do is I will show you both ways when we're learning songs from now on. Okay? Hope that helps.